Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin, and for this Halloween tutorial, I'm here with a Cheshire Cat makeup look. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this one, and if you wanna know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. I did the base and brows off camera. Now let's start the eye makeup. For that, I have taken a dark turquoise shade and I'm applying it all over my crease and a little bit on my inner socket. From the Gemstars palette, I am taking a light metallic shimmery shade and I am applying it on my brow bone. Next, with a very light turquoise color, I am going to blend the edges out. Again, going back to the Gemstars palette, I am going to take a black shade and I'm applying it on the outer corners. And gradually I am building its way into my inner corners. Here I am blending everything out so that there are no harsh lines. Now with some concealer, I am going to create a very sharp cut crease. Going back to the turquoise, I am applying it on the outer part of the crease. Here I am taking a shimmery turquoise shade and applying it on the middle part of my eyelid.
Are you scared?
And on the inner part, I am taking an even lighter shade of turquoise from the Sleek Whimsical Wonderland palette. From the Gemstars palette, I am taking a more of an intense blue and I am applying it on the outer corners. Taking some black on a very defined brush, I am applying it on the inner socket and almost on the sides of the nose to contour the nose a little bit. Now taking the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white, I am applying it on my waterline and way past my lower lash line so that it makes my eyes look bigger. And to set that, I am taking a white shimmery shade. With some black on a very defined brush, I am going to create a new lower lash line. And to blend that out, I am going back to the turquoise shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now with the W7 eyeliner, I am creating a very thick and long wing. As this is a Cheshire Cat look, very dramatic wing is necessary in this look. And I'm also extending it on my inner corners. For lashes, I'm using a very dramatic pair from Lash Lounge and applying some small ones on the outer part of the lower lash line.
Are you scared? I am you.
Now taking the Stila Diamond Dust Glitter, I am applying it on the inner part of the lower lash line and also on the lid. Going back to the turquoise from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I am basically using this as a contour shade. Then on top of that contour, I am taking a light blue face paint and I am almost creating some feather-like strokes on my forehead and on my cheekbones. Here I am drawing the nose.
I will catch you. The time it goes.
And with some black, I am outlining the nose. And with some white, I am going to highlight the nose. Again with the white face paint, I am adding textures to the feathers.
Afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
Here I am drawing out the teeth part with some black and white face paint.
I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark?
With some black eyeshadow, I'm going to blend out the edges of the mouth so that it looks more realistic.
I am you.
Taking a very light brown, I'm going to blend out the edges of the black eyeshadow. Going back to the blue face paint, I'm adding some more textures around the mouth and with some white as well. Now I'm going to highlight my face with the Jeffree Star X Manu MUA collaboration highlighter, and I'm highlighting my cheekbones, nose bridge and above my brows. Now I'm moving on to the neck part. This is basically what I did on the cheeks and my forehead.
It goes tick,
But if you want, you can skip this part.
tick.
If you're wondering, the paints that I used for the neck part are white, black and blue. And I also used a little bit of green face paint. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And happy Halloween. Bye guys.